In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask on CapCut PC. If you need to crop your video into a clean geometric shape, build a polished split-screen layout, or hide part of a screen recording, masking is one of the easiest tools to use in CapCut on PC. The good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to look, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, go down to your timeline and click once on the exact video clip you want to shape. This is important because CapCut only shows the mask settings for the clip that is currently selected. Once your clip is highlighted, move up to the top right Properties panel. Along the top of that panel, you'll see a row of tabs. Click on Video and then just below that, click on the Mask sub-tab. This will open the section where CapCut keeps its built-in masking shapes, and this is where the main editing begins. Next, look inside the mask panel for the grid of shape options. Click on Rectangle if you want a clean box-style crop, or choose Circle if that works better for your layout. As soon as you select one, CapCut will instantly apply that shape to your clip. You'll notice in the preview window that everything outside the selected shape disappears, leaving your footage framed neatly inside that geometric mask. This is especially useful when you want a tidy visual style or need to focus attention on only one part of the image. Now it's time to adjust the mask so it fits exactly where you want it. Move to the central preview window and look for the yellow outer handles around the mask. Click and drag those handles sideways to change the width and height of the shape. Take your time here so the frame wraps cleanly around the area you want to show. If you're working on a split screen or trying to conceal part of the footage, precise placement will make the result look much more professional. Finally, find the small white double-line arrow just outside the yellow boundary. This is the feather control. Click and drag it slightly outward to soften the edges of the mask. A little feathering can help the shape blend more naturally into your overall project, especially if the hard edge feels too sharp. If you want a crisp cut, keep it minimal. If you want a smoother, more subtle look, increase it slightly. And that's it. You're all set. Done.